Hello teachers, welcome to Lingt.com. This is a great website that will help our students with the listening, speaking, and writing associated with the TELPAS testing that we have coming up next semester. This is a free website that you can have as many students. The only thing you have is you can only have up to 6 assignments. It's really easy. We need to sign up first. We're going to put our name. I'm using a coworker's. Make sure it's your district email, the display name, something that you would want the kids to see. Usually it would be a good idea just to put the first initial and then your last name. The school name, it's optional, but we're going to go ahead and put it because we want to make sure we know which ones are ours. Oops, sorry, misspelled. And we're going to create our password. And we're going to sign up. That's how easy it was just to get our own little account here. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to create a class. We're going to click on the little plus button right here. Plus, we're going to name the class, and we can name it Practice Your TELPAS Listening and Speaking. And we put the little check mark. And that's what it's called. That's the class. Now, we need to create our assignment. And we're going to look over here on this side in the top part where it says Create Assignment. We click on Create Assignment, and we're going to go ahead and allow to use the microphone. And it's so easy that all we're going to do is click and drag. Now, we're going to go ahead and continue by creating our assignment. The assignments are so easy. We just click and drag. Like, let's say we're going to get a picture. We're going to click on Image. We're going to drag it in here. When you see that little blue line right there, we let it go, and we can click on the image, and we can go ahead and look for our pictures. We're going to look for our pictures. I have them all here. And let's say we pick the map. We're going to open it. And there's our picture. We have our picture right here. Now we can go ahead and add text right on the bottom. We click on the text box and we drop it in. And we can say, what do we want them to do with the picture? What exactly is it that we want them to explain to us? We can always say, explain. Oops, sorry. Big mistake here. Explain how to get to, let's say, David's. David's right on the top. How to get to David's home from school. You can always also add a little voice so that they can hear what the directions are. So if you click the voice and you drop it in here, you can record yourself. Please explain how to get to David's home from school. And you stop. This is one way you can do so you can explain it to them and they can hear you, with the directions. Now, right on the bottom, we have the speak or the write. We can have them write right here. We can add another text right on the top. I'm sorry, I made that little mistake right here. But right here on the top, we can go ahead and put, please write the directions to David's home from school. This will be easier for students so that they can write it down, and then when they have to talk, it's already there written for them, and they can go ahead and just say what was written. Now we're going to put here, please record your response below. You have 90 seconds. 90 seconds to record. This is how easy it is to create an assignment. You can go ahead and save the assignment. We just want to make it small for right now. Oh, need to give it a name. Let's give the assignment a name. What can we name this? Telpas 20. Let's call it Telpas 2019. 2019. And we can save. Now that we have it here, we can go ahead and assign it. And when we assign it, we're going to pick a date. We're going to pick a date. Let's say we give them till, they can practice till maybe January 31st. And we put the check mark. You're good to go. So that has been assigned. The students have until that particular time, which is January the 31st, to finish this assignment. And this is how easy it is to create your assignment. You can always come back to your assignments and you can edit them. And you can add more to what you already have in here. If I wanted to add a little bit more, I can add another image. And I can click and drag it in here. And let's look for some other images that I already have. And we can say, let's look at this one. Let's open this one, which is the beach scene. And we can ask in the text, explain in detail what the children are doing in the picture. You can put the little write so they can write it, and you can add the speak right in the bottom. You can add another text right above it, and you can always copy and paste this. You can copy it, you can highlight it, you copy, you bring it down here, you highlight this, and you paste it because it's the same thing. You record your responses below, and you have 90 seconds to record. You save, and you can assign it again, which is for that practice. And we can say we're going to give them again till January 31st. Check mark, and you are good to go. That is how easy it is to create a quick assignment on Lingt.com. Thank you.